Our mornings usually start like this, with the boys' voices echoing through the house. We live here with our 2 boys and my husband, so the house is always lively in the best way. The moment we walked into this resale unit, it just felt right. The location checked all the boxes for us, especially being so close to our son's school. And being an executive apartment, the spaciousness immediately made our hearts settle. It gave us the freedom to create a home that fits our lifestyle. Being on the highest floor also gives the home a subtle penthouse feel, with a bright, open view that immediately makes the space feel special. Originally, the layout had a storeroom and a bedroom in the middle of the house, which made the space feel a bit enclosed. By opening up these areas, the living, dining, and kitchen now flow together perfectly, giving our family space to live, play, and just be.
My brother and I like to play in the living room, the dining space, or anywhere with room to run. But our favorite is our room. That's where all our toys are. It feels like our own adventureland.
Life with 2 young boys meant our home had to be kid-friendly, with open spaces where they could play and explore. We wanted the home to feel calm and warm, so we incorporated curves into the carpentry to soften the space and make it safer for the kids. I also find calm in hobbies like planting and aquascaping, which inspired the overall design. The sense of tranquility in aquascaping resonates with wabi-sabi, so we naturally gravitated towards that style. Using natural tones, subtle texture, and soft lighting to make the home feel grounded and peaceful. We love how our foyer sets the tone for the home. The fluted glass defines that entry without feeling closed off, and the concrete look vinyl contrasts nicely with the warm wood look vinyl used throughout the rest of the home. This subtle material change not only creates a visual separation, but also helps contain shoes and keep the area tidy. It's a thoughtful detail we really appreciate. We also added a settee for putting on shoes and a plant to make the space feel warm and welcoming. Our designer Gary designed the cabinet to look like it's hovering, anchored by a wooden ball with underlighting, creating a subtle focal point that catches your eye the moment you walk in. We truly love how it all came together.
The living room is one of the spaces we spend the most time in. It's where I unwind, catch up on work, or enjoy moments with the kids watching movies. The long TV console is a highlight for me. It aligns perfectly with the fluted glass and settee at the foyer, so the space flows naturally from the entrance. The dark wood anchors the room, contrasting beautifully with the lighter vinyl flooring, and the open shelves let us display things we love while keeping the room feeling light and airy.
We love spending time here watching movies and playing, and sometimes Coco, our cockatiel, joins us. We give him some flower seeds and try to get him to play along, but he always ends up flying to Papa's or Mama's shoulder or head.
Beyond the living area, the kitchen is another spot that brings the family together. The island with a connected round bar table quickly became a favorite place for my wife and me. It's where we start our mornings with coffee, and the boys love watching the fishes swim in the tank. I also enjoy unwinding here after a long day at work. The space where the islands now sits was once taken up by a storeroom, and a beam remained even after it was removed. Gary incorporated it into the design, rounding it off so it feels like a natural part of the space. The island and round bar reflects the soft, curved shape found throughout the home. The travertine tops contrast with the dark cabinetry, while the lighter wood of the round bar adds a subtle layer of warmth. I love how the round wooden ball connects the two, echoing a detail we also have in the foyer and tying the designs together. We kept the kitchen feeling open and airy with warm micro-cement look, storage pad with a dark wood laminates that keep everything organized without making the space feel heavy. For the top portion, we went with open shelves, which are perfect for keeping everyday essentials within reach while still looking stylish.
From the kitchen, the space flows seamlessly into the dining area. It's spacious and welcoming, perfect for hosting family and friends. Whether we're sharing meals, celebrating special occasions, or just enjoying casual weekend breakfast together, the open layout makes it easy to move around. And there's plenty of room for the kids to join in without feeling cramped. Since opening up the center of the home meant giving up the old storeroom, we knew we still needed a dedicated space for storage. Gary designed a new one beside the dining area, fully concealed behind paneled doors. It blends in seamlessly with the rest of the home and even hides the entrance to the master bedroom, giving us plenty of storage without breaking the clean lines of the space. When we step into the master bedroom, it feels calm and cozy. We wanted it to be practical, so we designed a wardrobe for clothes we've only worn once and a vanity to make getting ready easier. Keeping the same laminate as the rest of the home and adding soft lighting ties the space together and keeps it feeling warm. The master bathroom feels like a serene retreat. The shower is lined with wooden tiles, which creates a warm and cozy feeling after a long day. Together, the bedroom and bathroom create our quiet escape from the rest of the home.
Our home feels calm and grounded, yet full of energy from our family. It's where our family can unwind, grow, and enjoy being together.
If you like this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.